Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Subaru Legacy headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and needle nose pliers. Always ensure your vehicle is completely cool before starting any work under the hood. You will also need the correct replacement bulb, such as an H7 or H11, and clean gloves to protect the new bulb from skin oils. This guide will walk you through each step for a successful replacement. Now, let's prepare for access. Begin by opening your vehicle's hood and securing it firmly with the prop rod. On the driver's side, you may need to remove one or two push pins holding the washer fluid filler pipe. Use a Phillips screwdriver to twist the pin tops, then needle nose pliers to gently pull them out. Flex the pipe out of the way. Next, locate the large, round cover on the back of the headlight assembly and twist it counterclockwise to remove it. With the cover off, you will see the bulb. First, gently disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the bulb. It might require a slight wiggle or a pinch on a small clip. Next, locate the metal spring clip holding the bulb in place. Press this clip inward towards the front of the car, then down, and swing it out of the way. Now, you can carefully remove the old bulb from the headlight housing. Remember its orientation. It's time to install the new bulb. Wearing clean gloves, carefully insert the new bulb, aligning its tabs with the corresponding notches in the headlight housing. Once seated, swing the metal spring clip back into position and secure it to hold the bulb firmly. Reconnect the electrical plug to the bulb. Finally, reinstall the large circular cover by twisting it clockwise, reposition the washer fluid pipe, and replace any removed push pins. Test your new headlight.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.